Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So guys, previously I have shown you like how you can install One UI 8.5 APK apps on almost all Samsung phones. Apps like calculator, as you can see, this is the One UI 8.5 calculator, and the voice recorder, as you can see, this is One UI 8.5 voice recorder, and the clock, as you can see, this is One UI 8.5 clocks, weather, etc. And also that enhance app, which recently previous video was about this. So this is One UI 8.5 APK, which I have installed in my One UI 8 phone, which is Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. All this app video link will be in the description. But guys, today I am bringing you more One UI 8.5 apps, which you can install in your One UI 8 or and I think some One UI 7 device also. For example, a brand new My Files. So you can clearly see this is a brand new One UI 8.5 My Files. So here now you can see the search bar is now at bottom, and also you can see this is the brand new icons over here. So the old one is this, and this one is the new One UI 8.5 My Files app. You can clearly see this is a brand new My Files app, and also guys, a brand new My Contacts. As you can see, this is brand new One UI 8.5 contacts running on One UI 8. So if I scroll down, you will see clearly a new icon over here, and also this is also a new my favorite, etc. one. And if I scroll down, you will see an arrow over here going upstairs. This is also new. So this is brand new One UI 8.5 contact app, which you can install in almost any Samsung phones, I guess. So you can clearly see this is new. This icons are new, and this is also new. And also guys, the brand new One UI 8.5 phone app, you can clearly see this is One UI 8.5 phone app design. You can clearly see the background also. And if I click on a three dot, you will see this kind of option. And if I click on a keyboard, so this is the One UI 8.5 phone app. Okay, if you call someone, you will get this kind of what we call screen. The problem with this phone app APK is it doesn't work over here. As you can see, it's same as One UI 8. So the UI only changes while you call someone or if you get the incoming call, just like this, as you can see. Okay, the My File is working properly. As you can see, this is clearly new One UI 8.5, and this is also the search bar, and also the context is also working fine. Okay, and now how you can install it? It's pretty easy guys. All the APK link will be in the description. Just download the APK, and after then just after downloading the APK, just tap on update. Okay, it will automatically install the APK. And guys, please note, this is not the official one. Obviously this is the official one, but it's the leaked. Okay, it has been extracted by S25 series or S26 series. Okay, so this is the extract version. So if you want to test it, just install and you can check it out. If you can wait, just wait for a few more weeks, then you will get the official update if your device is eligible. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching guys. If you have any questions, just comment below. I will definitely reply. Bye bye, have a great day, take care.